Today I'm super excited to share with you a recipe that's perfect for cherry and coconut lovers. A delicious cherry coconut ice cream that's incredibly easy to make and tastes amazing. If you're a fan of creamy and refreshing desserts, you're in for a treat. The best part about this recipe is that you get to control what you put in it and know what is in it. It only takes a few ingredients. These are the main ingredients in this recipe. You'll need cherries. These can be frozen sweet cherries or maraschino cherries in the bottle. You can use one or both. In this recipe, I will be using both. I will also be using some coconut powder. To begin, in a saucepan on medium heat, add 3/4 cup of water and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. We will use another 1/2 cup of sugar later on. Allow the sugar granules to dissolve. What we are making here is coconut condensed milk instead of dairy condensed milk. This will be our coconut flavoring. Add in the coconut milk powder and continue to cook and stir continuously for 1 minute unless it will burn. Remove it from the heat and add to a blender, or you can use an emulsion blender. This breaks up all the lumps and makes it very smooth. Strain the mixture in a wide container and place it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. If you decide to try this recipe, you will want to do this ahead of time. The wide container allows for it to cool faster. This is a batch that I made ahead of time. It should look nice and thick, just like this. In another bowl, let's make our ice cream base. Pour 1 liter of 35% whipping cream or heavy cream. You can also mix a thick assortment of milk if you don't have this kind. Whatever you mix, ensure that it is rich and amounts to 1 liter. Add in the coconut condensed milk and whisk to combine. Taste it to ensure that you have the desired level of sweetness, and in this case, I will add another 1/2 cup of sugar. Pour in your cherries. I am using 1/2 cup of chopped maraschino cherries and 1 cup of chopped frozen cherries. These cherries can also be blended with a little bit of the cream or the milk. That is if you don't have a food processor, or you can also chop these by hand. Mix everything in until they are fully incorporated and the mixture is a gorgeous pink color. You can add salt if desired. If you are not using this right away, place it in the refrigerator to keep chilled. Once you have used whipping cream, you can use a shortcut method of churning with a mixer with a whisk attachment. But for me, it's a lot of work on the hand. This ice cream machine can do it for me while I do something else. This machine churns gelato, ice cream, and sorbets in minutes. The best part is, it doesn't use ice or salt. It comes with this bowl that is filled with water and sealed. All you need to do is place it in your freezer. It can even remain there for as long as you wish. And all you have to do is simply take it out when you feel for some frozen treats. This is my 5th year of owning this machine. It's very durable and it's very affordable. I will leave a link to Amazon where I purchased it in the description box so you can check that out. The ice cream base, cover it over and it will churn even if the whole cover is off. Simply press the setting you desire, and in this case it's ice cream, and the minimum time is 25 minutes. You can increase the time as well. We still have some base left over. You can add it to a container and refrigerate, or get a backup ice cream bowl like I did, because they sell them separately as well. Once this batch is done, I will churn the second batch. At 15 minutes into the ice cream churning, I will taste to know if any more ingredients are needed. In 25 minutes, we have our delicious coconut ice cream. You can enjoy it like this, or pour it into a bowl and freeze until ready to be enjoyed. This is the fastest way I make ice cream for my family on movie nights. Finally, it's time to scoop out that perfectly frozen ice cream into a bowl or glasses. I am garnishing mine with some cherries, but feel free to get creative. You can add your favorite toppings. This cherry coconut ice cream recipe is a total winner. Easy to make, delicious, and customizable. The key ingredients are coconut milk, cherries, and a bit of sugar. Thank you for watching today's episode. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, help me to grow my YouTube channel by telling a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.